Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 28th, 2021. Definitely want to do a huge shout out to all of our community, our trap watchers, the one who are in the market, prowling, looking around to see where this money is going to go so that we can all be in position and win. So now, we're not going to give you any confusion. We're not here to waste your time. We're not here to look at 15 articles that you can pull it for yourself just to try to tell you that these particular products are a buy. You can do that for yourself. We need to try to give you some information that is not readily available, and you do that by looking at the price chart because it kind of gives you a heads up as to where the market is headed, as to where the money is going to go. That's one thing we focus in on. We need to know where the money is going to go so that we can grab the bag and capitalize. So if you guys want to join us, the doors are open. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. We're not those regular run-of-the-mill hype channels to simply come in and tell you stocks to buy. Buy this stock, it's going to 10x, it's going to 100x. Buy the dip, none of that. We focus in on the trap. Now, the trap is the one you see on the bottom left side of my screen. He's the one that moves the markets. He's kind of like the drug pusher. He's in the markets, moving around, trying to create these positions, trying to get us in bad positions so that he can win and we can lose. So he is our enemy. He is our opponent. So we need to make sure that we stay ahead of the game so that we can beat him. So join us if you want. Now, real quick. You guys probably clicked on this video because of what I wrote on the thumbnail or the title of this video, because Tesla just had its earnings, right? And they actually had their first time of making $1 billion in revenue in one quarter. But who cares, right? From your perspective, from my perspective, many people would think that that is very impressive. That is monumental. First time that Tesla actually made $1 billion in a quarter. That is huge. Now, you would think that price would react the same. This is why I want everyone in our community to realize that price doesn't care about our earnings reports. It doesn't care about how much revenue a company makes. These are very independent markets. It only depends on what you and I are willing to buy these shares for, right? And this article right here from CNN. Tesla just had a very good quarter. Wall Street is not impressed. Yeah, because Wall Street don't care about their reports. Take a look. The last time Tesla reported quarterly earnings this far above Wall Street expectations, in October 2019, it started the stock on one of the most incredible bull runs ever. Not this time. Shares of Tesla were down 3% in early afternoon trading Tuesday, despite a strong second quarter that blew away Wall Street forecasts for both earnings and revenue. It's a sign that getting the market biggest winner of 2020 back on track won't be easy. The record was $1.1 billion in net income in the second quarter, was more than twice the previous high it hit in the prior quarter and more than 10 times its entire 2020 net profit, right? Look at that. Just massively impressive, right? Fundamentally it is, but it's not translating over to the price of the stock. Adjusted earnings of 1.6 billion and revenue of 12 billion both topped Wall Street forecasts by about 60%. And now look at how this article tries to transition. Yeah, even though the fundamentals of Tesla's last quarterly earnings was great and positive, now they want to switch your attention over to this. But this time, investors are focused on problems that CEO Elon Musk and other Tesla executives discussed Monday during a Monday evening conference call. So again, that's why it's so hard to put price on the rudimentary, the fundamentals of a company, because if it's not one thing, it's something else. And if it's not that something else, then it's something else after that. Then it's not something after that, then it's something that is something that is something that is something after that. It's ridiculous. Just focus in on how the money is moving. That is the only thing that is important. So we wanted to come through, give you all our updated price prediction into the market in Tesla. July the 13th was the last time we did our price prediction update in the market because we didn't change it. You know, we were still expecting the market price in Tesla to continue to go higher in price. And since that time, we haven't even seen that, right? So even amidst the earnings report in Tesla, the price has not been hyped. It hasn't been seen as, okay, yeah, people are actually on ship trying to get somewhere to try to move this market to higher prices. We're not seeing that yet in the market in Tesla. And many people would have expected that that would have occurred right there on yesterday's earnings. But we don't care about that. Everyone else cares about earnings. The trap doesn't care about earnings neither. So what I wanted to do, I want to come in and get a new look into the price in Tesla. So I'm going to get rid of this price prediction right here that we did all the way back towards the ending of June, and let's get rid of it. Okay, so if you were to get out right now on the close of yesterday, we'll be down 1.66%. But you guys can clearly tell that we've had plenty of opportunity to grab some of that bread, some of that bag, some of that money in the market for Tesla. Let's move on to the next one though. Okay, so now check this out. I'm gonna zoom out and I wanted to show you all this. Okay, let's not get it twisted. Tesla is in a massive uptrend. Like, the price has been on a tear and a price continuation of higher price. So our focus is still on this ascending line. I don't care what anyone tells you. If the price in Tesla breaks this trend, we are in a bull market. I mean, a bear market, excuse me. We are going to see the market price in Tesla go lower. And we've been hugging this ascending line ever since May the 19th. Here we are towards the end of July, and we're still seeing this price hug this ascending line. So we're nearly teetering on making a massive decision on us entering a weakness phase to where price is going to continue to go lower, or we'll continue to see this market hold this ascending line. We already know where we're headed, and that's the higher prices. So let's see what the market thinks. Okay, because there's a lot of people who has positions in Tesla. They already have their positions. They're already entrenched. They got their ideas as to where the market price is going to go. So let's see what's going on in Tesla on a 2 weeks time frame. Okay, so this is the 2 weeks chart, and so far it's a lot of indecision going on. Right now, my main question would be to see if Tesla is able to break above 680. Right, we need to see that. We got 2 days and 10 hours left on this current 2 week price bar. 2 days, and so far we're noticing how the market in Tesla is not hyped. It's not bullish, or at least not that strong. Everyone sees the same thing. It is just how you're going to interpret it. So right now, considering what we have been through over the last 2 weeks, last couple of 2 week price bars, this market is losing in terms of trying to hold price and going higher. Like, this may just be the last 2 weeks that we'll see Tesla trade above that ascending line. What do you all think? Take a look at this. This is the 5 weeks time frame, right? And again, we are seeing restriction around $680, $700. Now, if we would have seen so far over the last 5 weeks, the price in Tesla closing up here towards the high of this 5 week price bar, I feel a little bit more confident in stating that the price in Tesla is trying to go higher, right? But so far we don't see that. So far we're still seeing a lack of higher prices really occurring on this chart. The continuation needs to happen on this current 5 weeks. We only got 2 days and 10 hours for this price in Tesla to go from 642 back up to 680 to $700. Because if that happens, yeah, the markets are going to go higher price. Okay. This is the monthly time frame so far. I'm seeing already that this is the problem, and I want everyone in our community to see it. This is where the problem is into the market in Tesla. Right there around $700, $680, $700. This is the market in Tesla on a weekly time frame. right there. Okay. So what do you all think? What do you all expect? Do you expect the market price to react on the earnings report from yesterday, that we'll see the price go higher? Or do you think the price is going to go lower, or we just continue to trade sideways? What do you think? This is the 5-day. Right? So far, I don't see a lot of strength. So there's two things that I'm seeing. Okay. And let me tell you, first, yeah, the market is not strong. The market is stable. You know, the market is finding the price level that everyone is in agreement with. Like, no one is trying to be in a hurry to move this market price in Tesla. This is what we're seeing on these varying time frames. The market is cool. So sooner or later, a decision will be made. And right now, that decision looks to be that, one, we don't have a lot of strength in the market in Tesla right now. That lends over to the price going lower. This is the 3-day. We've seen opportunity for this price in Tesla to go higher, right? Take a look at these 3-day price bars. This market in Tesla has been inching, he's been trying to push this price to the upside in Tesla. He just hasn't been successful at it, right? So now, what do you all think? Can we go lower in price? Yeah, we can. Are we going to break this ascending line in Tesla? Yeah, we can. Let me look at this on the hourly time frame, and I'll let you all go, because I want to see whether or not the market in Tesla. You guys can see this right here. Take a look at this. Okay, look at these 3-hour price bars. This is where the market is trying to hug support right here. Dead giveaway. This is where the trap is trying to come in Tesla and prop up the stock's price. This is where he is. This is where he's trying to maintain the price in Tesla from actually crashing and breaking that ascending line. Those are all dead giveaways. But every time we see this market prop price up right there around $630, the outcome always comes back down. We always come back down to it. We never sustain that price. We never see the market sustain the price movement higher. We always come back down in price. All 3 occasions, we've been seeing this market come back down. So what do you all think? Do you think he's convincing enough to show us that the price in Tesla is going to continue to go lower? Or is he convincing you into thinking that the price is going to go higher? Because $625, if we break that, yeah, this ascending line is going to get lower to the downside. Just saying. So now let me go. I've been on this video for like 13 minutes. Let me go ahead and put this prediction on in Tesla real quick. We're going to play the weakness. Okay. Now, I said that 680 is a restriction point. Be careful. I'm going to take the ultimate area of restriction around 700 into the market in Tesla. Now, just like I showed you on the hourly time frames, that's 625, $620 area, that can literally still be propped up as support. So we need to be prepared. We need to grab some profits off the table in the market in Tesla right there. That's the first area, around $620. Now I'm going to bring it down here to 600, right? That's a pretty good area of support that you can see that the trap has already confirmed that he's willing to prop up. Okay. That's it right there. Now I'm going to bring it down to $560. I'm not really expecting it to go that low, but since we don't do this video often, we can still see that market price in Tesla go down to $600 to $560. Just be prepared for it. Not saying it's going to happen, but it is something that's on the table that we need to be on the lookout for. Okay, so these are our 3 areas of TP, right? First one, $620. Second one, 600. Third, 560. Okay, and this will stay on the table. Like, this prediction will be on the chart. so long as the price trades below $700 to $720. We already know where we're headed. But if we see strength coming to the market in Tesla, we break above 700, 720, this prediction is not going to be right. I'm telling you that from the jump. Okay, so that's it. Let me know, what do you all think about the market price in Tesla? One thing that you can best understand and believe is that it doesn't care about what you feel. Market price doesn't care about you like that. It doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't want to make you happy. It doesn't want you to feel gleeful, joyful. It doesn't care. So just get in position and win. So drop your prediction in the comment section of this video. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Hey, trade different too.